Here we have a 2017 Ford Transit Custom. This vehicle comes with 4 16-inch alloy wheels, which are in excellent condition. There's a look at the first one. Coming round to the front here, we do have both front and rear parking sensors with this vehicle. Very handy to have with a vehicle of this size. Now we do also have colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, as well as the roof rails on top just there. Now coming back, we do have our privacy glass and the third alloy wheel just here. Now coming to the back, we've got a spoiler, as you can see there. We've also got the tow bar. Open up so you can see inside. These doors, we can slot them out just there. You can open them completely to the side like so, or you can have them just as standard like that. And we've got a huge amount of space in here. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it is also carpeted on both sides and the ceiling. As you can see, very tidy example. We have got a bulkhead. It's currently split in half. I've got the other half just over there. We've taken that out simply just to give it a thorough clean before doing pictures and videos, and that'll be getting put back together shortly. Close that up, come to this side, and you'll see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Going inside, before we do, we have got the pop-out windows just here. We've got them on both sides, as well as sliding doors on both sides as well. We've then got 3 seats in the rear, full fabric. We've got ISO fixed points throughout as well. Good amount of leg room and really tidy in here. We've then got the interior lights, 1, 2 and 3. We've got little hooks there for hanging whatever we may want. Close that up. Coming into the front, we've got another 3 fabric seats just here. Same design as the back, and obviously that does make this a 6-seater vehicle. On the door here, we've got electric wing mirrors, we've got electric windows, brushed metal handle, lock and unlock button, integrated speakers and some more storage. We've got quite a few nice storage areas in here, like so, there, and many more throughout the vehicle, as you can see. Step inside, get away from the wind. We'll start the car up. Turn the key. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights. I'll just get the mileage up. There we go. We've got just over 56,300 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there as well. We do have the parking sensor button on the right, as well as a heated windscreen button just there. On the steering wheel, this is multifunctional, so we've got different controls for whilst we're on the go, like volume or phone controls. We've then got both speed limiter and cruise control also on the wheel. Very handy feature to have on this vehicle. We've then got automatic lights just down there, wiper and indicator stalk, infotainment screen just here, so we do have both DAB and FM radio. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like Bluetooth audio, auxiliary and different apps, as well as CD. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or to listen to music. Now if we come down, another thing to show you actually, if we put the vehicle into reverse, you will see that we do have a visual display of both the front and rear parking sensors. Now coming down, we do have our stereo controls and infotainment controls just here. Very easy to use. We've got our hazards and lock button just there as well. Coming down, we've got our climate zone controls with air conditioning, 12-volt connectivity, and again, here's some more storage areas and another quick look inside. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching.